Are you planning to travel to China or just want to impress your friends with some real Chinese skills? Today, I'm going to teach you 10 Chinese phrases you absolutely must know. These are phrases that will help you in restaurants, shops, transportation, and even when making friends. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say them confidently, and your pronunciation will be much closer to how native speakers sound. So grab a notebook and let's start learning. The first phrase you need is ni hao, pronounced ni hao. This means hello in Chinese. It's simple but extremely powerful. Whenever you meet someone, whether it's a shopkeeper, a taxi driver, or someone at a restaurant, saying ni hao instantly makes a friendly connection. Practice saying it slowly. Ni hao. Great! Try it a few times until it feels natural. Next is 谢谢, pronounced 谢谢. This means thank you. Gratitude goes a long way anywhere, but especially in China, where politeness and respect are highly valued. When someone helps you or gives you something, always remember to say 谢谢. Let's say it together slowly. 谢谢. Perfect. The third phrase is 对不起, pronounced 对不起. This means I'm sorry in Chinese. Whether you accidentally bump into someone, make a mistake, or are late, this phrase is essential. Pronounce it slowly with me. 对不起. Great! Don't worry if you don't get it perfectly the first time. Chinese tones take practice, but even attempting it politely is appreciated. The fourth phrase is 没关系, pronounced 没关系. This means it's okay or no problem. After saying 对不起, if someone wants to comfort you, you can respond with 没关系. It's a friendly and casual way to let someone know everything is fine. Repeat it with me. 没关系. Excellent. Phrase number 5 is 请问, pronounced 请问. This means excuse me or may I ask. It's extremely useful when you need directions or want to ask a question in a polite way. For example, if you're lost and want to ask where the subway is, start with 请问. Let's practice. 请问. Keep saying it until it feels natural. The sixth phrase is 多少钱, pronounced 多少钱. This means how much and is essential for shopping. Whether you are buying souvenirs, snacks, or anything else, you'll need this phrase to know the price. Repeat after me. 多少钱? Fantastic! Try to remember this one. It will save you a lot of trouble. The seventh phrase is 厕所在哪里? Pronounced 厕所在哪里? This means, where's the bathroom? Very practical, right? You can't survive in a new city without knowing how to ask this. Let's say it slowly. 厕所在哪里? Perfect. Practice a few times so it comes out naturally. The eighth phrase is 我不懂, pronounced 我不懂. This means I don't understand. When someone speaks too fast or you don't know a word, don't panic. Just say 我不懂, and most people will slow down and help you. Say it with me. 我不懂. Excellent. The ninth phrase is 可以, pronounced 可以. This means can or may and is very useful in conversations. For example, if you want to ask if you can take a photo or sit somewhere, you can start with 可以吗? It literally means, is it okay? Repeat it. 可以. Great.
And finally, the 10th phrase is 再见, pronounced 再见. This means goodbye. It's polite and leaves a positive impression whenever you end a conversation or leave a place. Say it slowly with me. 再见. Excellent. Now you have all 10 essential phrases that will make your time in China much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's quickly review all 10 phrases together. 你好,谢谢,对不起,没关系,请问,多少钱?厕所在哪里?我不懂,可以,再见. Say them a few times out loud until you feel comfortable. Practicing daily, even for a few minutes, will make a huge difference. Learning these phrases is not just about speaking. It's also about understanding the culture. Chinese people appreciate when foreigners make an effort to speak their language. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, the effort itself shows respect and curiosity. So don't be shy. Here's a small tip to improve your pronunciation. Try to listen to native speakers online, whether it's on YouTube, language apps, or social media. Repeat after them. Pay attention to tones, because Chinese is a tonal language, and the same word can have completely different meanings depending on the tone. Practice makes perfect. Another important tip is to use these phrases in real-life situations. Don't wait until your next trip to China. You can practice ordering food at a Chinese restaurant near you, asking questions, or even greeting friends with 你好. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. Also, if you make mistakes, don't worry. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Chinese people will often help you and correct you gently. Keep a positive attitude and make learning fun. You'll learn faster if you enjoy the process. Finally, remember that learning a new language is not about memorizing hundreds of words at once. Start small, with practical phrases like these, and gradually expand your vocabulary. By using these 10 phrases consistently, you are building a strong foundation that will help you understand more complex sentences and conversations later on. So, today you learned 10 essential Chinese phrases that are perfect for beginners and travelers. Remember, 你好,谢谢,对不起,没关系,请问,多少钱?厕所在哪里?我不懂,可以,再见. Keep practicing and try to use them whenever you can. Your confidence will grow and people will notice your effort. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical Chinese lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to Quick Learn Mandarin, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the phrase you like the most. I also want to know which phrase you'd like me to teach you next in our upcoming videos. By practicing daily, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can start speaking basic Chinese confidently. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, learning Chinese can be fun and easy if you start with the right phrases. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. 再见!